Urinary system is a group of organs that filter waste products from your blood and dispose of them in the form of urine. It plays a key role in maintaining your body's water and electrolyte balance and removing toxins. The urinary system consists of four main parts. Number 1, kidneys. Number 2, ureters. Number 3, bladder. Number 4, urethra. Let's go through them one by one. Number 1, kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located at the back of your abdominal cavity. They act as filters, removing waste, excess fluids, and toxins from your blood. Every day, your kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood to produce roughly 1 to 2 liters of urine. Number 2, ureters. The ureters are two thin tubes that connect your kidneys to your bladder. They serve as a highway, allowing urine to flow downward from the kidneys into the bladder. Number 3, bladder. The bladder is a muscular balloon-like sac that temporarily stores urine. It expands as urine enters and signals your nervous system when it's time to empty. Number 4, urethra. The urethra is a tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body during urination. In males, it's longer and also transports semen. In females, it's shorter and exclusively for urine. So, the urinary system plays a key role in keeping your body clean, removing waste, and maintaining balance. Let's recap. The kidneys filter, the ureters transport, the bladder stores, and the urethra excretes. Together, these components help keep you healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more biology lessons.